Hey, good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, sorry. It is quarter to one here in the United Kingdom, quarter to two in Europe, and it is quarter to eight in the morning in New York. And this is my pre-New York update from this morning. Right. So a couple of things. We've come down. We have hit the green box. We've hit the weekly VWAP, and we have driven away from it. If you took this super duper, take some profit here because we are now at resistance. However, if you haven't taken this one, then you really want to wait until we get above here and see a reaction off the daily in the VWAP, and that would be your long, and you drive that into 80,000 and then possibly up to the top here at 84. All right. All right, let's run some volume profiles. Let's have a look what's happened on this little wave here. Okay, let's not do that. Let's get some volume profiles, please. Thanking you. Doodle-doo. All right, so this is going to create some resistance here. We have the value area high, and we also have the value area low of these two structures here, sat at the 7.8. Is that not it's not the 786? No, that would be that would be a scalp. So that would be interesting. Yeah. So just moving from there to there, and that would give us this, and then we go up. So that's the reason for that long there. Okay. Let's have a look at some more volume. What do we get on here? Where are we sat? All right. So I mean, objectively, all we've done is we've rejected from the midline of this. Actually, let's not do that. Let's do this. Same geezer. So we've rejected from the midline here, and we've come down to the value area low, whipped through, and we're now above it. Stabilizing and driving up. So if you took the long from here, as we posted out this morning, you need to be taking profits here. You should have your stop loss hopefully in, up at least the bottom of this wick, and hopefully that is close to being in profit. And that should be a safe trade for you. You only add to this trade if we get above the daily open. All right. This does initially say scalp. And so because we say scalp, that's what that is. That's a scalp until proved otherwise. Okay, so let's have a look at what if this is finished. We finished here, now we're coming down for 5 waves or something akin to an impulsive move down. Well, this would be my 1, 2, then I've got another 1, 2, then I've got another 1 and a 2, and then another 1 and a 2. Oh, and that's now going to have to be a 1, and this will have to be another 2. And then we're looking for this Gazille 3, and then you'll be looking for the same 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? I have no idea whether that's happening yet, so we just have to wait and see. I don't like that. I still think that there's absolutely a high probability that we're going to come up into here, and maybe even up into these higher ones up here at 84 and 86. But yeah, so listen, everything's kind of working out as we said this morning, earlier doors, and that's nice. So nothing to do really. Watch for New York taking out this low again, just coming over like that, and then going. Possibility. We do have volume here, so I guess you could say that was 1 2s, 1 2s, 1 2s, 1 2s, 1 2s, 3, and then now we're getting our 4 5s, 4 5s, 4 5, 4 5, 4 5. Possible. We have to look at what's probable and what is possible, right? Not what we believe to be true, whether it's going to the moon or otherwise, or to the bottom, as you might say. Anyway, so look, we've got a nice high volume node here. We are at another value area low. We've got, I mean, let's not forget. Let's just be a little bit. Let's not forget that this was New York. This whole price action here, that was New York yesterday. So what's to say that we don't get that today? You know? Then it's the weekend tomorrow, and you know, maybe we're just going to sit in this because it's, you know, it's wartime and no one knows what the fuck's going on, and you know, the big orange man hasn't made a decision, and so therefore the markets don't like it. That said, I do believe that we will find resolution soon because elections are on the horizon and this war is not being nice to the American economy. I mean, to anybody's economy, but obviously the US's economy is the only one that Donald Trump cares about. Okay, that's it. So far, so good. And look, maybe we turn over and come off to one of these two, but I think that if we, you know what's always useful is if we just draw a little line here. Yeah, there's a little trend line off here. I know it's only a 6 minute and all that, but you idiot, you fool. There you go. Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah. So there's a little line here. We broke above. We've wicked back through. See if we get support. Where's the 618 of this little move up? It's on the line here. See if we can break. This is a 6 minute chart. We can break the 6 minute trend, which will be here. Get above VWAP. Then give me a little 3-wave retracement, and we're super long then. Stop loss here, nice and easy. All right, okay, guys, that's 7 minutes. Beautiful. See you later. Ciao, bye.